Understanding the impact of negative thoughts on mental health. Negative thoughts can have a profound impact on our mental health. They often create a cycle of self-doubt, anxiety, depression, making it difficult to break free from this damaging mindset. Recognizing harmful patterns is the first step towards reclaiming mental well-being. By challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with positive affirmations, we can significantly improve our mental state. It's crucial to cultivate a supportive environment, seek professional help if needed, and practice self-care techniques that promote a more positive outlook on life. You can overcome the shadow of negativity and embrace a healthier mindset. One way to challenge negative thoughts is to ask yourself, is this really true? Or where is the evidence for this thought? This can help bring some objectivity into the thinking process. And another strategy is to reframe the negative thought into a more positive, neutral one. For example, instead of saying, I will never succeed, try changing it to, I may face challenges, but I am capable and resilient. It's also important to practice self-compassion and remind yourself that it's normal to have negative thoughts, but they don't have to define you. Give yourself grace and remember that progress is not linear. Celebrate small victories and focus on the present moment rather than dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about the future. Additionally, surround yourself with positive influences that can combat negative thinking. This can mean seeking support from loved ones, engaging in activities that bring joy and positivity, or finding inspiration from hypnotherapy, mindset coaching, and motivational sources. Remember, changing your thought patterns takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and continue practicing these strategies until they become second nature. With dedication and perseverance, you can overcome negative thinking and cultivate a more optimistic mindset. Believe in yourself and trust in your ability to overcome any challenge that comes your way. You are strong and capable, and you deserve to live a happy and fulfilling life. So take a deep breath, let go of the negative thoughts, and focus on the present moment. Celebrate every small victory and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. With the right mindset, anything is possible. Keep going. You got this. Go to my blog, www.donlprice.com blog, and read the articles on how to reframe your thinking to start living your best life now.